Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to install SUDACHI. SUDACHI is the best Switch emulator for lower-end PC, ensuring you have a smooth gameplay. Before we start, this tutorial is just for educational purposes. For the first step, I'm going to open my Chrome browser, which you can directly open the first link in the description below. It will take you to the GitHub page, sudachi.emulator, having the latest version of 1.0.15. Scroll down and click on the Windows keyword to download the app. Now the file is downloaded. You need to have WinRAR of 7-zip to extract it. In my case, I'm going to use WinRAR. I have made a video tutorial on install WinRAR for free. I'll link it in the description. You will see a bunch of files here. Just click Extract to, and you can select the directory to extract to. I'm going to extract to my download folder. Click OK. Now, you can close the WinRAR app and go back to your browser. Click on the second link in the description to download the prod keys. Don't need to bother the Yuzu keyword. We can use the same key for SUDACHI too. Scroll down and look for the latest version 20.5.0. Click on the download button. Next, open the second link in the description to download the firmware for the Switch emulator to run Switch games. Scroll down and select the same version with the prod keys. Click on the download button. The file is quite large, about 300 megabytes. It might take some time. For your information, you also need to download the NSP game files for the games you want to play. Unfortunately, I cannot show you here, but you can Google for the files and download it on your own. It is very easy. Leave a comment down below if you have any problem doing so. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know about what videos I could do next in the comments. I'll try my best to make those videos. Now the files are downloaded. I'm going to close my browser and head to File Explorer and open the Downloads folder. You will see two of the files we just downloaded here. Right-click on it and extract it. Click Next. You'll see a lot of files here. Just close the window and do the same step for another file. For the prod keys, you will find it in the end of the folders. Now just close it and go back to the Downloads folders and open SUDACHI folder. Now open the SUDACHI application file. You will see a missing error here. Don't worry, we'll fix it. Click OK to close it. Now go to the toolbar, go to Tools and find Install Decryption Keys. Now, select the folder we extracted and select the prod.keys file. Select the file and press Open. You can see it successfully installed. Click OK. Now go to Tools and select Install Firmware. Select the firmware folder we extracted and click Select Folder. Now wait for it to install and you will be ready to run your games. Okay. So just double-click on the folder to add your games. I have my game files in my Documents folder, so I'm going to select it. As I mentioned earlier, you will need to have your NSP game files. I'll show you an example. Let me open my Documents folder. You can see I have the game files here, and one 3DS file for the 3DS game. So I'll close it first and get back to the emulator. Now go to Emulation to configure your settings. Go to Graphics and you can see your settings here. We have Vulkan and I only have an Iris Xe graphics, which is quite bad. You can change your aspect ratio and resolution up to 4K and higher, but you need to make sure your PC can support it. So I'm going to just go for 1080p. There are some advanced settings you can configure on your own, but I'm going to focus on the controls part now. You can select which type of controller and your input device. You can connect your Xbox or PS4 controller to play too. Just need to configure here. You can map your keys like this. Just click on the button and press the button on your controller or keyboard. It is very easy to do. You can also make a new profile here. Just click on a new button and give it a name. 1. For an example, click Save to save the profile. To add another player, you can select a player 2 in the toolbar and check the Connect Controller box. You can configure it just like it before, but I am going to stick with one player. So now we can launch our game. Let's try with Mario Party Superstars. Double-click to run it. It is locking now. It's so excited to see Switch games running on PC. It started. Let's try to use the controls. WASD for direction and C to confirm. It's working. Let's try the offline play. Click C for the OK. The cutscene is running smoothly. I think this brought us to the end of our video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and like and subscribe, it much appreciated. I'll see you guys in the next video.